Greetings, greetings, greetings. You know, me there, so I wonder. Me I wonder if when Joseph did go up in tomb for them bury Jesus, if him did know, say I just borrow, Jesus did a borrow the tomb for a couple days. What you think? Well, while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, just click the like button, drop a comment below, and share this video with all of the people them where you know. And if you don't do it yet, now the best time for click the subscribe button and the notification bell too, to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as come to Matthew chapter 27 from verse 57 to verse 61. Now, when evening catch, one rich man from Arimathea, when named Joseph, come. Him did a one of Jesus follower them too. Him go a Pilate, go ask him for Jesus' body, and Pilate say, them fi give him it. Joseph take the body, wrap it up in a one clean linen cloth, and put it in a one new tomb. That I did film own a tomb, where did in Iraq. Then him roll one big stone cross in front of the tomb. Mary Magdalene and the other Mary did a sit down there, cross from the tomb. I got all this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.